Everyone loves free, and that's why so many people sign up for free trials of streaming sites, magazines, and other services. But consumer reporter John Matarese shows us how costly these can be if you forget to do something important at sign-up time, so you don't waste your money.
Erica Robinson and Alexandria Hamilton know all too well the lure and the risks of free trial offers.
If you don't read the fine print, you can get charged. The first of the month, charging me $19.95.
But to Tasha Rudolph, an experience with a dating site's free trial was no laughing matter. She signed up and quickly learned you can't see anyone's picture with the free version.
Who wants to talk to strangers? That's the whole point of seeing pictures. Everybody has types and different things.
Frustrated, she gave up, but says before she knew it, she was charged $80 to start a monthly membership.
I click on it so I can get all the information, but that was payment. That was it.
From dating sites to health and beauty products to magazines, many companies are counting on you forgetting about what you signed up for and forgetting to mark down on a calendar when you need to cancel to avoid fees.
It's never been easier to inadvertently sign up for something that you don't fully understand.
Josh Plano says the BBB gets complaints about free trial offers every single day.
They are designed to entice you with the possibility of free service, free product, free insert any variable.
The BBB says before signing up for a free trial, mark on a calendar when to cancel a subscription or set an alert on your phone. Also find out how much notice you have to give to avoid being charged. And always sign up with a credit card, not your bank account. Need more help? There are apps out there like Truebill that help you manage and track the subscriptions that you're paying for. Tasha Rudolph is now trying to get out of a $300 dating site membership she says she never wanted.
I said, oh my gosh, but what did I sign up for?
So be careful so you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese.